نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. In plane, one should go and ask the stewards if they allow to pray at the kitchen area. Then one can perform their prayer according to Qibla confirmation on the compass. That's the best option. If they can't do that, then they can do on their seat sitting. Obviously, in that situation, the Qibla might not be faced. Likewise, they couldn't stand up. They couldn't do sajda and ruku properly. So this would be a quite defective and weak prayer. And all it does is to show that, Ya Allah, that's the best I could do in these circumstances. You only have to do your fard prayer, which is shortened for Dhuhr, Asr and Isha, for 2 rakat. For Isha you would do witr as well. When you come to the resting place, to your destination, then you do your repeat or repetition of the same prayer. It's called i'ada. So those 2 rakat you would do again. If it was Isha, then witr as well, in order to make it done properly. So that would help you on the track, and you would have incurred no sin whatsoever. Now there is this opinion that since you cannot perform it properly, then you may leave it and do it afterwards. Again, that is a possibility, but for those who could not at all do the wudu, but those who could perform wudu from the toilet, which is easy inshallah ta'ala, if you plan ahead, take with you a cup full of water, or just take the cup and use it there. Make sure that you clean the toilet very well with the tissue. Keep some extra tissue with yourself if you can't find one in the plane. And if you plan ahead and have ideally leather socks, just to be able to wipe on that. So while you sit in the plane, just put that leather socks on and wipe it if you needed to make your wudu again. So that way you could be in the state of wudu and perform your prayer, and then repeat it when you come home. Again, you still have to repeat the prayer as shortened one, not 4 rakat but 2 rakat, and no sunnahs, only fard prayer. So inshallah ta'ala, practically it is really doable, and alhamdulillah people have experience of that. We should have the aim and objective to do it, and Allah would make ways. Where there is a will, there is a way. May Allah make it easy inshallah ta'ala. Obviously for certain elderly and frail, weak people, it might not be possible, then they could take the option of praying it when they come home at their destination. This excuse would be valid excuse for them, as they could not perform wudu properly or couldn't perform at all. May Allah make it easy.